Hi there! If you are tired of dragging out a big blender just to make soup or whip some cream, this is going to make your kitchen life so much easier. Welcome back to Tech Product. Today we are checking out the best handheld electric mixer for quick, smooth, and stress-free cooking at home. It is compact, powerful, and surprisingly versatile. Let's get started. This is the Fullstar Handheld Electric Mixer, and it is designed to handle everyday kitchen tasks without taking up a lot of space. At the heart of this mixer is a strong 300-watt motor paired with durable stainless steel blades. That combination gives you enough power to blend, puree, and whip with smooth and consistent results. Whether you are making creamy soups, smooth sauces, or fluffy whipped cream, it works quickly and evenly. You do not get those annoying lumps, and you spend less time fixing texture problems. One of the standout features of the Fullstar handheld electric mixer is the silicone pan protector. This is such a smart addition. If you use non-stick cookware or delicate pots, you know how easy it is to scratch them with metal tools. The silicone protector helps prevent scratches while you blend directly in the pan. That means you can blend hot soup right in the pot without transferring it to another container. It saves time, reduces mess, and protects your favorite cookware. The protector attaches easily to the top of the stick blender and locks securely at the base, so it stays in place during use. Control is also simple and practical. The Fullstar mixer offers 2 speed settings. The high-speed mode is perfect when you want quick and smooth results. It works great for smoothies, salsas, dips, and even baby food. When you need a gentler touch, the low-speed mode is ideal. It handles delicate mixtures like cake batter, eggs, meringues, and whipped cream without overmixing. Having these 2 options gives you better control over texture and consistency, which makes your cooking more precise. Another thing I really like about the Fullstar handheld electric mixer is how easy it is to use. The design is detachable, so you can quickly assemble and disassemble it. You simply connect the blending stick to the motor unit and twist to lock it in place. It feels secure and solid once attached. After you are done, you can detach the blending stick for easy cleaning. The removable parts are simple to rinse or wash, which makes cleanup fast and stress-free. The overall design is compact and practical. It does not take up much storage space, so it fits easily in most kitchen drawers or cabinets. Despite its small size, it delivers strong and reliable performance. It feels comfortable to hold, and the grip makes it easy to control while blending. The Fullstar handheld electric mixer combines power, protection, and convenience in one simple tool. With its 300-watt motor, stainless steel blades, silicone pan protector, 2-speed control, and detachable design, it covers a wide range of cooking needs without making things complicated. Here is the exciting part. If you want to speed up your meal prep and keep your kitchen routine simple, this mixer is a great choice. Check the price link in the description, and do not forget to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more smart kitchen and tech finds. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.